Discover the top Python libraries that help evaluate language model outputs effectively, enhancing your skills in model evaluation with practical coding examples.
Welcome to our deep dive into the top Python libraries for evaluating language model outputs. Did you know that the right library can dramatically boost your model's accuracy and efficiency? Today, we'll explore 5 must-have libraries for any developer or data scientist working with LLMs. From text processing to sentiment analysis, we have you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know which library fits your specific needs for LLM evaluation. So, let's dive right in. First on our list is the Natural Language Toolkit, or NLTK. It's a powerful library for text processing, widely used in academia and industry for its robust suite of tools. With NLTK, you can tokenize text, parse structures, and even conduct text classification. Let's run through a practical example. Imagine you're working with a language model that generates customer feedback. You can use NLTK to tokenize the text, allowing you to analyze word frequency and sentiment. This is particularly useful in evaluating your model's effectiveness in understanding human language. With NLTK, the possibilities are vast, and it's a staple for anyone serious about text analytics. Next up, we have SpaCy, a library that's incredibly fast and designed for production use. It's known for its advanced NLP tasks such as named entity recognition and dependency parsing. SpaCy excels in processing large volumes of text quickly, making it ideal for real-time applications. Let's walk through a code snippet that uses SpaCy for entity recognition. If your LLM outputs structured data, SpaCy can identify entities like names, locations, and dates, aiding in data extraction and analysis. This capability is crucial when evaluating models for tasks that require understanding context and semantics. TextBlob is a beginner-friendly library that's perfect for sentiment analysis. Its simplicity and intuitive functions make it accessible to those new to NLP. TextBlob allows you to perform sentiment analysis with just a few lines of code, providing polarity and subjectivity scores. Let's explore an example where we evaluate a language model's output on movie reviews. TextBlob can quickly determine whether a review is positive or negative, offering insights into the model's sentiment understanding. While not as feature-rich as SpaCy, TextBlob's ease of use makes it a great tool for quick and effective sentiment evaluation. Hugging Face Transformers is a powerhouse library offering state-of-the-art models and tools for evaluation. It's the go-to choice for working with popular transformer models like BERT and GPT. Hugging Face provides pre-trained models and evaluation metrics to assess performance comprehensively. Let's look at how you can use it to evaluate an LLM's performance on a classification task. With built-in metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall, you can get a detailed performance overview. Hugging Face's flexibility and integration capabilities make it a key player in the LLM evaluation toolkit.
Let's roll up our sleeves and dive into some coding. We'll start with NLTK and a simple tokenization example. Next, we'll use SpaCy to perform named entity recognition, highlighting its speed and accuracy. Following that, TextBlob will help us analyze sentiment with a straightforward implementation. Finally, we'll leverage Hugging Face Transformers to evaluate a model's classification performance. By seeing these libraries in action, you'll gain practical insights into their capabilities and learn how to integrate them into your projects effectively. With a solid understanding of each library, let's compare them based on different use cases. NLTK is excellent for educational and research purposes, offering a rich set of tools for text processing. SpaCy shines in production environments where speed is crucial. TextBlob is ideal for quick sentiment analysis and is accessible for beginners. Hugging Face Transformers are unparalleled in handling state-of-the-art models and provide extensive evaluation metrics. By weighing these strengths, you can choose the library that best aligns with your project's needs, ensuring optimal performance and accuracy.
When selecting a library for your project, several factors come into play. Analyze your project requirements first. Are you handling large datasets, or is speed your priority? Consider scalability. Can the library grow with your project? Evaluate ease of use and integration with existing tools. Finally, think about future-proofing your evaluation process. Will the library continue to receive updates and community support? By considering these factors, you can make an informed decision, ensuring that your choice not only meets current needs but also adapts to future challenges. We've covered a lot today, from NLTK's text processing prowess to Hugging Face's comprehensive model evaluation tools. Remember, effective evaluation is key to refining your language models and achieving better results. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. We'd love to hear which library you plan to use in your projects. Don't forget to suggest topics for future videos and hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. Your support keeps us going, and together, we can explore the exciting world of Python and LLMs.